Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making garlic noodles. You will need 8 ounces of angel hair pasta, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 scallions, 5 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring to a boil. Now add the pasta and cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, turn off the heat, then drain your water and set your pasta aside until later. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add your garlic and the white portion of your scallion and cook for 3 minutes. Add the oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper, then continue to cook until all ingredients are well combined. Turn your heat to low, then add the noodles and toss until well coated. Mix in the Parmesan cheese, then top with the green portion of the scallions, and then they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.